RZhD Capsule Car is a groundbreaking concept by Russian Railways, RZhD, that aims to revolutionize long-distance train travel. Inspired by the idea of individual pods or capsules, this innovative design offers a more private and comfortable journey for passengers. Individual capsules. Each passenger has their own private capsule, providing a sense of seclusion and privacy. Enhanced comfort. The capsules are designed to offer maximum comfort, with features like ergonomic seating, adjustable lighting, and personal entertainment systems. Efficient space utilization. The capsule design allows for more efficient use of space within the train, accommodating a larger number of passengers without compromising comfort. Improved hygiene. The individual capsules can be easily cleaned and sanitized. IGA Sleepod is a revolutionary airport service that offers travelers a comfortable and private space to rest between flights. Located at Istanbul Airport, these sleep pods provide a much-needed respite from the hustle and bustle of the terminal. Private cabins. Each sleep pod offers a secluded, enclosed space for individual privacy and comfort. Comfortable bedding. The pods are equipped with soft pillows and blankets, ensuring a restful sleep. Convenient location. Sleep pods are strategically placed in quiet areas of the airport, providing a peaceful environment. Hourly rates. Travelers can rent a sleep pod for a specific duration, making it a flexible and affordable option. Locate the sleep pod area. zPODS are innovative sleep pods designed to provide travelers with a comfortable and private resting space within airports. These enclosed cabins offer a much-needed escape from the hustle and bustle of the terminal, allowing passengers to relax and recharge before or after their flights. Private and comfortable. zPODS offer a secluded, air-conditioned space with comfortable bedding, ensuring a restful sleep. Noise-canceling technology. Built-in noise-canceling features help to create a peaceful environment, even in noisy airports. Personal storage. Each pod typically includes a small storage area for personal belongings. Convenient location. zPODS are usually located in designated relaxation zones or near boarding gates. Cosy Cocoon is a high-end sleep pod designed to provide travelers with an unparalleled level of comfort and privacy. These luxurious cabins offer a premium resting experience, ideal for those seeking a truly indulgent airport stay. Premium materials. Cosy Cocoon pods are crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring a luxurious and durable design. Advanced technology. State-of-the-art technology, such as advanced noise-canceling systems and temperature control, creates an optimal sleeping environment. Personalized comfort. Each pod is equipped with adjustable features, allowing travelers to customize their sleeping experience. Exclusive amenities. Cosy Cocoon may offer exclusive amenities, such as plush bedding, aromatherapy, and personal concierge services. Spacenight is a unique and innovative sleep pod concept that aims to redefine the airport experience. Inspired by the idea of a personal space capsule, Spacenight offers travelers a secluded and comfortable resting environment that mimics the feeling of being in a private room. Capsule design. The pod features a fully enclosed, cocoon-like design that provides complete privacy and a sense of security. Personalized comfort. Spacenight pods are equipped with adjustable features, allowing travelers to customize their sleeping environment according to their preferences. Advanced technology. The pods incorporate advanced technology, such as noise-canceling systems and air quality control, to ensure a restful and undisturbed sleep. Minimalist aesthetic. The interior design is sleek and minimalist, creating a calming, MINK Camper is a compact and versatile camper van designed for those seeking a comfortable and convenient way to explore the great outdoors. With its sleek design and modern features, MINK Camper offers a perfect blend of style and functionality. Compact size. MINK Camper's compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver and park in various locations. Stylish design. The camper's modern and sleek exterior ensures that it stands out from the crowd. Comfortable interior. The interior is thoughtfully designed to provide a comfortable and spacious living space. Fully equipped. MINK Camper comes equipped with all the essentials for a comfortable camping experience, including a kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping area. Versatile functionality. The camper can be easily adapted to suit different travel styles. Willer Express Reborn is a new generation of luxury bus service offered by Willer Express, a renowned transportation company in Japan. Designed to provide an exceptional travel experience, the Reborn series incorporates modern amenities and advanced technology to ensure passenger comfort and satisfaction. Premium seating. The Reborn buses feature spacious and comfortable seats with ample legroom and recline options. Advanced amenities. Passengers can enjoy amenities such as power outlets, USB charging ports, and personal entertainment systems. Wi-Fi connectivity. Stay connected throughout your journey with complimentary Wi-Fi access. Modern design. The Reborn buses boast a sleek and modern design, emphasizing comfort and functionality. Willer Express is known for its high PrivateNap is a revolutionary airport service that offers travelers a private and comfortable space to rest between flights. Designed to mimic the experience of sleeping in a hotel room, PrivateNap pods provide a much-needed respite from the hustle and bustle of the terminal private cabins. Each PrivateNap pod offers a secluded, enclosed space for individual privacy and comfort. Comfortable bedding. The pods are equipped with luxurious bedding, including soft pillows and blankets, ensuring a restful sleep. Noise-canceling technology. Built-in noise-canceling features help to create a peaceful environment, even in noisy airports. Personal entertainment systems. Some pods may offer personal entertainment systems.